Hey guys, Earl here. Welcome to the vlog, my first ever vlog for this channel. So, this channel will be all about sneakers, cars, tech, badminton, travel, and so much more. So make sure you subscribe for more videos coming soon. So today, we are finally going to unbox my 2014 release Jordan 1 Carmine colorway high OGs. So without further ado, let's go. So if you ever own or bought or planning to buy a Jordan 1 retro shoes in your collection, you must be getting, or you're probably getting, this kind of, box here. So again, this is my 2014 Jordan 1 Carmine colorway retro high OGs. So as you can see here, that's gonna be my size there. I got this one from a store online when it was releasing on that day. So again, I got this one retail back in the day, 6 years ago to date, because today is February 2020, and I'm the first owner of the shoe. I never bought a resale price on this, and I was lucky enough to cope this one the day it was released. 6 years ago, I only tried this one on probably once, and I never used it. It's gonna be, again, the box you're gonna get if you ever buy a retro Jordans. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the only Jordan 1 that I have in my collection. I don't have really a lot of shoes right now, just because back in 2015, long story short, I sold everything in my collection just because of some personal reasons. If you ever wonder what the box look like, if you're ever buying a shoes online or from someone else, or from maybe Kijiji or Craigslist in the States, or whatever marketplace, these are the ones you have to look for. I'm not really sure, don't quote me on this, but I'm not sure what the fake ones would look like. But for sure, this one that I have here right in front of me is an authentic one. The small details will probably show you which one's the authentic ones, which one are the fake ones. On this one here, you would be able to see the identification sticker. All the information has to be there. And on the other side of the box here, there's also a printed 1985 Air Jordan 1. I'm not sure the fake ones have those too. Could be. And underneath the box too, they have this, sticker there with some information on it, and it also has some designs, or like the Nike logo and other things here. Opening the box too, under this lid, you would also have a maybe this is a quality control stamp or a serial number. I'm not sure. I believe the fake ones already have those kind of stamps too, but I'm not really sure. And also you can see the Nike logo there, and on the other side it will show you a swoosh word. I'm not sure what is that, but that's probably an identification number or a serial number, who knows. But yes, that's the ones right on this one on the list. Here's the shoe itself. There you go. This is my, again, 2014 Jordan 1 retro Carmine colorway high OGs. This is what it looked like. It has a mostly white and red color with black Nike logo on it. It also has the Jordan 1 famous logo on it, but it doesn't have the Jordan behind it, which on the other shoe has one. This shoe also has, since it's brand new or never been used or worn, but this one still has the icy blue outer sole on it with a Nike logo. So on the red panels here, they are like a red suede kind of material. It also has this red stitching around the shoes. If you could see it, if the camera could capture that. And it also had a plain white leather around the shoe, which is mostly covering the shoe. I really love red and black combination, but this one really got me like, I really want to get this one. I'm really happy that I got this one for retail, because I know for sure that the prices right now on StockX is just like, you know, double this one from retail here in Canada. It also has a black tang with a red Nike Air on it, which is a very nice touch to it. Or you're gonna get black laces on the shoe. This shoe comes with red ones. If you ever, let's say, buy a used ones, maybe the first owner or the previous owner switch it up. In my opinion, black really looks good on this one. The contrast of colors, you know, make it super beautiful. The cleanliness of how it looks on the other, you know, Jordan ones that came out recently. But this is one of the best ones that I really want, like in my opinion. It's one of the best colorways, the CARMINE ones. I even have the retail value for it. You can smell, you know, the authenticity and the you know, the smell of the brand new shoes. You know for sure if you buy brand new, there's gonna be that specific, you know, like in the if you buy a new car, there's like a new car smell in it, just like a shoes too. Pretty good. But they told me that this one here, like the blue icy sole, will eventually turn out to yellow once you use it, which is kinda taking out, you know, the best colors that, you know, popping out on the shoe here. But I guess that's what you're getting for a 6-year-old shoe. No problems or anything or whatsoever. I really love it. The day I'm, you know, talking about this one, it will be posted on StockX. And again, this is my 2014 Jordan 1 CARMINE Retro High OGs. There will be much more shoes coming up in this channel, so stay tuned for that. This channel will not only be for sneakers. Like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down at the bottom, or click the, you know, the subscribe button for this one. And if you ever have comments, just leave them down below. See you guys again on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Keep the hustle.